Hey guys, welcome back to Building a Hot Tub with your pal Grady at Master Spas. This is step 2, lamination. We brought back Mike Reese, Vice President Manufacturing.
How you doing, Grady?
Good, thanks for coming back and doing stage 2. We did the vacuum form. You got me in this sexy outfit today.
You look really good, by the way.
I appreciate it. I've been working out. So once we vacuum form that shell, now what do we do?
Well, we're going to take the shell that we took in back form and we do an inspection at the light table.
Okay.
Once that shell passes the inspection, then we're going to bring it over and start it in a lamination. And what lamination does is where we really make the shell strong. That's where we're going to start today.
Okay, perfect. Well, I'm excited. Are you?
I am. I'm ready to see you get your hands dirty.
So am I. Well, let's roll.
Let's do it.
During the lamination process, there are 2 separate lamination stations we use. Lam 1 is where we use the vinyl ester resin combined with the fiberglass to ensure a waterproof shell.
Without vinyl ester, the spa's only going to last a couple of years because the water will work its way through and it'll leak. A lot of the cheaper spa manufacturers don't do this step.
I know a couple of those manufacturers.
Exactly. We don't make cheap spas here at Master Spas.
Lam 2 is where we mix the polyester resin with the fiberglass that strengthens the shell. To apply the fiberglass and polyester resin together, we use what's called a chop gun, which mixes the materials and sprays onto the shell. The next step to this process is to hand roll all air pockets from the fiberglass mixture to ensure absolute strength throughout the entire shell of the spa. And that's where we're headed now.
All right, Keith, what is the process here? Fiberglass is a very strong substance. But if you don't have air pockets in there, you lose all your strength. Okay. The key here is to get all the air out of this fiberglass. Okay. All right, Grady. This is Michelle. Hi, Michelle. How are you? What do I have to do? Okay. Pretty simple. Already messing up. Oh boy. I need a professional over here. What is this? This is a brush, Grady. Oh, you put, all right, what's this for? All right, this is when you get an air bubble. Okay. Now you give me the secrets. Okay. Look at that. Look at that.
Typically, it takes a team of 4 about 6 to 8 minutes to complete this task. One final roller checks the work.
Why don't we get out of Michelle's way?
Yeah.
You can actually do her job.
Okay. Thanks, Michelle. Kind of fun. Oh. Okay. Next.
Lam 1 is where we use the vinyl ester resin combined with the fiberglass to ensure a waterproof shell. Lam 2 is where we mix the polyester resin with the fiberglass that strengthens the shell. To apply, we use what's called a chop gun, which mixes the materials and sprays onto the shell. The next step is to hand roll all air pockets from the fiberglass mixture to ensure absolute strength throughout the entire shell of the spa.
After that, then before the polyester resin dries, we have to add a few things.
The team now attaches the loops that holds the plumbing tightly to the spa shell, the billets that attach the shell to the frame, and the Master Spa's exclusive biomagnetic therapy.
I can't believe we're not even close to being done. Next time, join me for cutting some holes. I'm pretty excited. See you soon.